members of the opposition had claimed that, because of the new majority in the Senate, they will approve all the measures pushed by Malacanang, which is not true. Trabaho bill is still pending because we still have to make sure that no jobs will be lost with this new, I'd say, rationalization of incentives. And many other measures are still pending because we are still debating and discussing what would be the best measure or best possible outcome for our people.
May possible changes sa committee chairman to clean siya from
Meron, well, of course, maraming mababakante. Ang committees ni Senator Lauren Legarda, mababakante, Senators JV, Senator Cheese, Senator Conasan, even in the minority, Senator Trillanes, mawawalan, Senator Bam has also very important committees, Science and Technology. So maraming mababakanting committees. We initially discussed the equity of the incumbent rule. So if you're already sitting on that committee, hindi natatanggalin sa'yo yan. You will remain as the chairperson if you wish to remain with your committee.